Hi guys, welcome to another product focus. What we're focusing on today is the brand new controller from Rhino, the 2EC+RH. So what it's going to do is control your fan, it's going to control your intake and outtake fan, it's going to control the temperature, but it's also going to control your RH. So if your relative humidity goes up, your fan will increase. If it goes down, your fan will decrease, trying to keep that humidity in the room. A little bit about the controller. Very, very neat little controller. You have an outtake and an intake fan on the left and right. These are connected with the RJ connections, so quickly clip them in and then use the adapter in the Rhino fan box to connect it to the Rhino fan. Again, you've got outtake and intake on the bottom. This one, what's covered up, is where you put the power supply in if you need a power supply. And this side is the sensor. The sensor is the new and improved G.A.S day, night and temperature and humidity probe. So what it does, it measures the day and night, measures the humidity, measures the temperature, and again, that just clips into the bottom. Any issues with the probe, you can replace it, but this is a brand new model of a probe with every controller. When you turn it on, it's got a big screen, really easy to work through. I'm not going to go through a screen today, but it's exactly as it says. You turn it on, work through all the different parameters. It's really easy. You can control your intake, you can control your outtake, you can control your day and night settings, temperature and humidity. So it's an all-in-one fan controller. Again, specifically branded for the Rhino fans, but it will work with adapters with any EC fan. If you want any more information or you want to go in depth on this controller, jump on the website. It's a fantastic controller. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers guys.